Quame Owusu here. In this channel, we are going to help you pass your BECE, not just passing. We are going to help you get grade 6 to 10 on your target range. In teacher, also then your grade 10. Some of the students, if you are one bunny or it's not like one yard, but if you are mistakes and petty mistakes now, they don't pay attention to, or they make them carelessly, will lose marks. Losing those marks are unnecessary. And consider we'll lose that marks, because question be why the examine or the chow, the Jennifer, just 3 marks. But because of those mistakes, and you could lose that mark. The reason why I'm sharing this is because the kind of grading system why you could use what the grade BECE in NT. Instead you lose even 1 mark unnecessarily. If you lose just 1 mark, it can move you to the 100 or maybe the 500 position because of the grading system now why you can use in NT. I will take my time and come and explain the grading system that why you could use, or from the Steiner grading system. Because of that grading system in NT, you don't just have to score maybe 85, 86 in your grade 1. You have to score 100, another 99 or 95 for your grade 1. Now take a look at this question. 2024 English Objectives, paper 1, question 2. Let me read it to you. We were served dash meal at that cozy restaurant. Yenshare options. A. Spanish delicious spicy. B. Delicious spicy Spanish. C. Delicious Spanish spicy. D. Spicy Spanish delicious. Now yenfa options yenfa share sentence A no mabe. We were served a Spanish delicious spicy meal at that cozy restaurant. Does it sound nice in your ears? We were served a Spanish delicious spicy meal at that cozy restaurant. Does this one also sound nice in your ear? We were served a delicious spicy Spanish meal at that cozy restaurant. We say, does it sound nice? Does it sound correct in your ears? And check D. We were served a spicy Spanish delicious meal at that cozy restaurant. Phone na no. I'm all confused. Say inyima inyim. Now this question clearly comes from adjectives. Part of speech, or class, teacher, the way I will put that question in your list mistake, you will lose that mark, which is unnecessary until they lose. Mock never ben, you will see some of these things, and I don't think you should get them wrong, alright? And that's why I'm making this video. The whole thing is how to identify adjective. First of all, 1 hour still one adjective as adjective qualifies a noun, or adjective explains a noun. Adjective add more information to a noun. My example, a beautiful girl. In this example, you mean a girl or a noun, but there is a word that is giving more information about the girl, that the girl is beautiful. That word is often an adjective. My another example, a red dress, dress or a noun. The word red, it can blue, it can be any. That is color, right? Now look at another one. A tall boy. We know the boy to be a noun, but this boy, the word tall is giving us more information about the boy. The boy, important, or you can make it a short boy. So these are adjectives. But sometimes in a sentence, there are more than one adjective that are describing a noun. When this happens, which one should come first, which one should come second, and which one should come next? Take a look at this one. A beautiful, small, old, round, red Ghanaian wooden dining table. These are all adjectives that are describing the table. Beautiful, small, old, round, red Ghanaian wooden dining table. They are all describing. In exams, what about test there? Which one should come first? Which one should come last? It turns out that some adjectives, when they are more in a sentence, they follow a particular order, and this is the order. Operations in math, what's the word for BB? Board mass. Bracket of say, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Board mass. When you are performing the operation, the calculation, it best starts from the left. And when you are starting, you start from one in the bracket, and then you move on to multiplication. In that order, actual board mass. So you see how the order is. I'm correct. The same principle is applied in adjectives. That's what we call OSASCOMP. 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 This is the order of the adjectives. More example. A beautiful, small, old, round, red Ghanaian wooden dining table. This is the OSASCOMP. This is a pede easily identify adjectives in their right order. You ask yourself questions. You use the OSASCOMP. OSASCOMP. Also easy because you know bird mass. In fact, the 9 planets crampon, you have a way to remember them. My very eyes may just see under 9 planets. The periodic table also in Imhawa. Hello Helena, little berry boy can now operate fishing nets. Nana Magi, all singing prefect should climb aeroplane car. You're able to remember the periodic table with this. In the same way, you have to remember the order of adjectives with OSASCOMP. O, no, what is it? We say the O is opinion. What do you think? Right? What you think about it. Example like beautiful. Beautiful, no, or your opinion. If the girl is beautiful, it is your opinion. Beautiful is just an opinion because maybe I know if I'm beautiful, no anything. So when you say beautiful, it's just an opinion and it comes first in order of adjective, no OSASCOMP. Then the next one, yes, as or your size. You're talking about how big the thing is. The third order, or no, also your age, how old, how new. So when you see a young guy, an old man, a new car, new, Nina know your age. So it should come at the third order. Then we come to the fourth order. And also, or your shape. Is it round? Is it square? So there are different kinds of shape. We move on to the fifth one. It is color. So adjective now describe the color of the noun. Maybe table no a brown. The moment you see brown in there, or the fifth order. The sixth order is the origin of himfa. Adjective was sentence or describe baby adnifia of Accra, of Ghana. The seventh order is the material. What is the noun made of? Is there any adjective or describe the makeup of the noun? That is the seventh order, no follow. And then the last one, which is the eighth order, the purpose. So what is that noun used for? In your BEC, most of the times, or 2 and 3, there are 2 adjectives. You have to be able to know the order and sign it. Whenever you come across this question, first of all, you don't want to get 1 mark even wrong. Just write the OSASCOMP struggle, and then identify each of the adjective or sentence. Not categorizing. Example: the teacher bought a dash table for the classroom. Now let's go through the options. Option A, wooden, large, new. Option B, large, new, wooden. Option C, new, wooden, large. And option D, wooden, new, large. Which one is it? Here, about OSASCOMP. Then all the words listed, there are 3 words. Our listening now, the adjectives. So actual OSASCOMP, which one of them? No, opinion. So wooden, large, new. You don't find any opinion there. Then the next one, S, also size. So wooden, large, new. We find the size here. You're a large. Large is a size. So you just write it against it. The next one is age. Now wooden, large, new. New is describing age into fashion. So right now we have the order. We have large, now we have new. The next one, the word wooden. Wooden describes the material. So that is the last one, M part. With this one, you see that the order should be large, new, wooden. Now if you go through the options, you will see that large, new, wooden is option B. So the answer is B. So in the sentence, the teacher bought a large new wooden table for the classroom. You try another one. Amma wore a dash dress to the ceremony. Now let's go to the options. Option A, cotton, beautiful, blue. Option B, blue, cotton, beautiful. Option C, beautiful, blue, cotton. D, cotton, blue, beautiful. These are 3 adjectives. Now let's put them in order by the OSASCOMP na make the use. You write your OSASCOMP, then there are 3 words. Cotton, beautiful blue. Cotton is talking about the material that was used for the dress, so that one is M. Then we have beautiful. Beautiful is just your opinion, so it starts here. The first one, could I be beautiful or your opinion? Then the last one is blue. Blue describe color. On the OSASCOMP chart, it is on the C. C, and the order is beautiful blue cotton. If you go to the options, the beautiful blue cotton is option C. Last example. Example 3. The museum displayed a dash statue. Now let's go to the options. Ghanaian, beautiful, ancient. So these are the options. Ghanaian, beautiful, and ancient. Ghanaian is the origin. Into O no or last one, second O no. And Ghanaian will be there. Then we have beautiful. Beautiful is opinion. Or the list in the first one. OSASCOMP first one. And then we have ancient. Ancient is talking about time. Nkano is time, right? So it is actually the age. Age. And the age, here, third one. Third order. Ancient. And the one there, we have beautiful, ancient, Ghanaian. That should be the order. By OSASCOMP, it should be beautiful, ancient, Ghanaian. Now, if you go through the options, you see that option C, beautiful, ancient, Ghanaian, is the correct one. This is how to go about it. It's very simple, right? But right now, it needs time. Maybe I went to be demanda. You need time to understand it. The more you solve examples, or by a part of you. Because I just don't want to talk and go, I have designed an example questions for you. If you want to practice more, in the comment section, I have left a link there. Click on that link. There is a lesson, a simple, concise lesson on it. Take your time to read and then go through the questions. Practice video. So abo maati adjectives asa like it, share, mawanyankofuso no one's want to. Now and subscribe to this YouTube channel and pocho. Subscribe right now. Click on the subscription button. I click on now. Obialinjuska. I click on Obialinju and then tap on Obialinjuska. I share Obialinjuska or you're free. So click on the subscription button right now. Again, in the comment section, what topic are you struggling with? BC, math, science, social studies, RME. Topic I struggle with, just leave it in the comment section. Na video, very simple. See you in the next video.